Unpacking time, guys. So for today we have IP camera. It's just going to be one camera that is going to be quite easy to install, and we are just going to unpack it today. So let's see what we have in this box right here. All right, so this is our wireless camera. So we'll soon find out what that it's doing. It's going to come with a power brick like so, some IP65 connections when we are going to do the wired connection, and instruction manual. So right now we are going to quickly install this camera to my phone and see how it's going to be the image like. Alright, so instruction manual, we'll need that. I'm going to open my camera and just try to find the link here. Open link. Let's see, it's like a Chinese website. I don't want to do that. I don't know what's happening. Play Store. I'm just going to go on V380 Pro, and I'm going to install this app right here. Alright, so done that. I have the app right into my phone, so it's V380 Pro. I'm going to open it, allow it, agree, okay, confirm, allow, skip, and register. Now of course you'll have to register. Okay, so now I create an account, the app is installed, and I will have to add it in, but before that I'm just going to connect the power supply, and then I'm going to add it onto the app. I installed the V380 Pro, but right now I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to go on the Wi-Fi, and it should show me the camera network, and in my case is here with starting with MV and then a number at the back. Okay, I'm connecting to it. Alright, connect only this time. Okay, so now I came back here and I'm going to open the app. I already created an account. It's not that difficult to do. You just need a password and an email, and it's going to be quite easy to do. So right now it's already showing me the device, and I'm going to select it and connect. Okay, so right now I will have to connect on my Wi-Fi, and I'm putting my password to my Wi-Fi that I have here.
Wi-Fi connecting.
And now the camera is going to connect to my Wi-Fi, and after that I can reconnect the phone on my Wi-Fi also. Actually it already done it by its own. And I'm going to give him and I'm going to give to the camera name. I'm just going to put home and finish. And of course a lot of ads are going to come in. Now play. I will set a password. Please enter the new password. Practically you need to put a name for it and the password, and that should be it. Confirm, and now the camera is on. Okay, so this is the main screen of the camera, and you can already see me. It has still the plastic on top, this foil right here, and we are going to take that off so we can see a little bit better the image that we have. So now that is online, and hello. If we are going to go on more, here we are going to have different options: preset PTZ, PTZ calibration, motion tracking, inversion, that is going to invert the image if you are going to put it the other way around, the camera, when you are going to install it, and light control. If we are going to press on the light is going to come on. I'm going to put it off. We can put it even on auto, and probably in the night time it's just going to come on. We have an alarm here. Snapshot, recording, speak, so we can speak. Hello. We need to hold it to speak. Hello. Now the mics are very close, so it's going to make a lot of noise. Hello. 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 This is a test. And this is a test. Now, okay, the mics are very close and it's making a lot of noise. I'm just going to leave that for now. More motion tracking. We can put this on, and now it's just going to track me. So everything that is going to move, I'm going to be tracked. Yeah, it will work better when it's going to be installed outside. So yeah, this is a quite cheap gadget, and it's going to quite do the job. Now, if you don't want to make it work through Wi-Fi, you just need to connect the RJ45, the internet wire, straight to your router, and then you don't have that headache with the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go out. Now, of course, you can even record in your phone, have a snapshot, replay the videos. You will need to install a micro SD card anyway into the camera and onto the camera, and I'm going to show you how. So right, I have a micro SD card right here, and to install it we just need to open the bottom right here. All right, and we are going to find the slot right inside there. We are going to insert it in, and that's it, and done. So now we have even a little bit of memory inside the camera, and it can record. So okay guys, I just want to show you quickly the settings, and here we have loads of options. the firmware, device date and time, password, all of that. If you need to change it, it's right over here. Alarm settings, recording setting, PTZ, auto patrol, light settings, PTZ speed settings. Okay, I already have the alarms activated right here, and as you can see, it's already sending me a lot of emails with stuff that is happening the front of the camera. So yeah, we can check all that. So if we are going to close everything and we go to alarms, housekeeper, and here is all the motion detection alarm. So remember, to see that you need to go on housekeeper. Yeah, let's have a quick look. So here is the main menu, and we can touch the screen and make the camera move up and down, or we can even do it from the buttons right here. We can record, we can speak. If we are going to hold down, we can so if we are going to hold down, we can speak, and somebody in front of the camera is going to hear us, and we can also listen if we are going to activate that button right there. The image quality, SD, HD now, it's a little bit improving. The alarms, we can just put it on from there. Record, so you can record on your phone, or you can just go on these options right here, settings, and then recording settings, and you can put it to continuous recording, and that means it's going to continuously record on the SD card, and also is going to record the event and the audio. And here we can choose how to record in HD or SD resolution. So this was my review for this small gadget right here, and I believe it's worth all the money that I paid for. I believe it costed under £50, and for what it can do and the image, I believe is quite okay. Remember, just be very careful to the code that you have at the bottom, because then everybody can have it, and again, if you are going to lose it, you are not going to be capable to install the camera anymore. So it's very good to have a copy of that, or just have a picture to that barcode, so you can use it at a later stage. And meanwhile, just peel off that sticker with the barcode. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Alright guys, another cheap gadget that you can have around your house for your security. And what can I say more? Don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one.